guys, Elizabeth here. I received the Summer Beauty Box from Walmart. This is a $5 quarterly box, and I have 2 subscriptions to it. One under Elizabeth and my email address that goes with that, where I said I was 50. I have another one under Lizbeth and my YouTube email address that said I was 20. The reason I did that is when these boxes first came out, I didn't know originally, but they gave different products to older people versus younger people. Then I think they renamed it to like Classic and Trendsetter. I'm not sure what they call it now, but I'm pretty sure you get different products depending on your age group. Or at least that's the way it appears to me. So I've got the one where I said I was 50 for the summer of 2018. Let's open it up. It's got the cool leaf motif. And if you look inside, here, let me flip that product around. Here is what I received. It says embrace your beauty, and it has a card that if you you can rate and review the products that you receive in the box, and you can fill out a survey. Okay, the first item is a 1.4 ounce Pantene Foam Conditioner, Sheer Volume. I have actually received this product already. It does not work for my hair type. It did give me volume in the sense that I think it like split all my cuticles out and I got a lot of frizz. So it doesn't work. I have thin, fine, easily damaged hair, and I used it once and did not use it again. I might put this in my products to pass along because I don't know if it works well for a different hair type than mine. So if you've used this before and it's worked well for you or didn't work well, let me know down below so I know whether I should even put this in one of my giveaways. So it's a Pantene foam. It's kind of like a mousse texture. You spray it in your palm and it, like, you know, expands out. I didn't care for it. Usually I would just toss it, but I'm thinking other hair types it might work for. I don't know. The next item is the Village Natural Therapy Aches Plus Pains Relief. One is a foaming bath oil and body wash. The other is a hand and body lotion. They're just 2 foil packets. I will be using both of those. This is like foil packet day. The next item is from Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. You can use it as a day moisturizer, a night moisturizer, or a mask. So there's just 1 foil packet of that. This is from Kleenex brand. It's Wet Wipes Gentle Clean, a gentle clean for hands and face. No harsh chemicals. It's 8 wipes. So it is for hands and face. That might be something handy to put in the car. Another foil packet time is Garnier Fructis Damaging, probably not a good product. Damage Repairing Treatment 1-minute hair mask plus papaya extract. So this is the only second hair mask that I have. I received one in my, pardon me. I received one in my Play by Sephora box, and then I have this one. So I do really enjoy hair masks, so I will use that. Got a little paper describing the hair mask, no coupon. A little paper describing the moisturizer, no coupon. A little paper discussing the conditioner, no coupon. And a Donkey Mask Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore. So you put it on for 15 or 20 minutes. I will use this. I do love those sheet masks where, I don't know if you can see where it's got your eyes and the nose and stuff of the mask cut out. So I will use this mask. Like I said, I do like masks, but it seemed an awful foily packet. But let's check it out. I got 3 pieces of paper, no coupons, same as nothing. All right. The face mask, which is a full size. The foil packet hair mask. So that's 1 complete mask. The Soothing 3-in-1 moisturizer that you can use as a face mask or as a moisturizer. So notice the gel packetness going on here. The Village Natural Therapy, the foaming body oil and body wash, and the hand and body lotion. The Kleenex wet wipes, there's 8 wet wipes in there. That's kind of a nice product. And the Pantene Foam Conditioner Volume Conditioner, which usually I would say was great, except I've tried it and it doesn't work for me. So usually if I'm getting the older box, I like to have some anti-aging products. Well, first of all, I like makeup products. That's why I bought beauty boxes, is to get makeup. So there's no makeup, there's no really anti-aging. The one like Cool Sample doesn't work for me, but I will use every one of these foil packaging things. I actually will use. So I'm kind of torn. For $5, would I have purchased it at the store? You know, if it was sitting on the shelf and I had $5 in my pocket, because you know that mask is probably worth that. But would I have done it? Probably not. Am I going to use every single thing in it except for this? Yes. So there's my wishy-washy answer. I'm sure monetarily, especially with a full-size sheet mask, it was worth $5. To me, if I saw it on the shelf, I probably wouldn't have picked it up this time. Let me know what you think, and when my youngster box comes in, we'll see how that compares, but usually that comes in weeks later than this one, so I didn't want to wait on that. If you could give me your opinion on my silver hoops, if I remember, I'll put it below. I decluttered all my jewelry, and these are the ones I have left. I'm going through and wearing them and seeing if I like them. I think I like them. Let me know what you think. Is it a good proportion for my face? And I will talk with you later. Hit subscribe if you like unboxings and declutters. See ya. Bye.